I want to do a reading for all those of you who are not in a connection with this person that you're thinking about. I mean, you've already broken up or separated, or there's no scope, but this person has also successfully managed to carve a niche in your heart. It's almost like you're unable to compartmentalize this person. You're unable to just keep this person as a memory. This person is also sort of trying to control your present, and this controlling of present is happening because this person is somewhat you want to stay fixated with the illusion, fixated in the illusion that he might come back. You see these two dogs, they're trying to look at the moon. They're trying to see that they're seeing that light and they're barking. They're trying to bark, looking straight, and they're trying to bark, which means they're reacting to the light. The light here is the illusion. The illusion that this person might come back with an offer. ऐसा कुछ नहीं हो रहा. The person that has already left you and is already a past, but you're still having some hope that it might be that this person becomes my present. ऐसा कुछ नहीं हो रहा. This person is not going to be your present anymore. The person's time in your life is over. We are starting with a death card. Death is not somewhere in between. We start with death. That means this is your present scenario. This person's chapter is over. What you are thinking that, okay, this person might come into my life and this can happen and that can happen, all the possibilities and the imaginations that you have, it's basically your illusion that he might come with an offer. Okay? And this 3 card, Knight of Cups, the Moon, and the Justice, 2 interpretations here. Either there's a group of people who's thinking that no, this person's chapter is not over and this person will come back with an offer, and all the illusions, all the thinking and imagination, all the connection and all the feelings, all those feelings that he might come back will actually turn out to be true. While people are saying that this is an illusion, this will actually come out to be true, and I'll be able to prove everybody that no, this person was for me. Okay? And you think this person coming back into your life with an offer will clarify all your doubts and that will be justice for you, but that's not true. The truth is that you would open up for somebody else with an offer for you. Somebody else, not from your past. This is somebody who's coming in. There's an incoming energy. Will be slow moving, but will be predictable. Okay, so this person, the Knight of Cups, is not your past person. That past person's chapter is over. Death is here. Okay, and what you are now doing, you are actually trying to fight the illusions. Sometimes you're like, no, this person will come back. The other times you're like, no, this person is done. So you are basically in 2 minds right now about the current situation. Why are you in 2 minds? Because your mind is empty and is open to make as many assumptions as possible. Nobody's coming to stop you from making those assumptions. Nobody's going to come and stop you from telling you that, nobody's coming to stop you and tell you that, no, this person is not meant to be. Nobody's doing that. Your mind is empty right now, and that's why it is open for illusions and assumptions. With this death card and with the Hierophant post-death, I think you already have the wisdom to cut this person away from your life. Cut this person away from your life. But what you are holding on to, what is that energy that's actually helping you hold on to this past person who's no more in the sense no more in your life, is your 5 of Cups. आप अभी भी सोच रहे हैं कि अरे, you're sad, you're grieving. You're like, नहीं, I thought this would work out. नहीं हुआ, फिर से नहीं हुआ. That's your concern. फिर से नहीं हुआ. So you're like, पीछे 2 कप्स हैं, लेकिन अब मैं थक चुकी हूँ. मेरे सामने जब 3 कप्स हर बार अगर मेरी ज़िंदगी में कोई आ रहा है, वो टिक नहीं रहा, वो चला जा रहा है, तो अब मेरे में हिम्मत नहीं है कि मैं पीछे मुड़ के अब क्या आ सकता है, ये कोई भी इंसान आ सकते उसके बारे में मैं सोचूं. बट एक्चुअली इस इंसान के जाने के बाद आप धीरे धीरे, शायद आप रियलाइज़ नहीं कर रहे हैं, आप धीरे धीरे एक हायरोफांट के स्टेज में पहुंच रहे हैं, जहाँ पे आपके पास वो विजडम होगा कि आप मुड़ के देख सके कि आपके पीछे भी 2 कप्स हैं. आप धीरे धीरे अपने आप को तैयार करेंगे ताकि ये 3 कप जो जा चुका है या जो काम नहीं किया, वो लोग जो आपकी ज़िंदगी में आए लेकिन ठहरे नहीं, उन जो लोगों को आप कहीं ना कहीं जाने दे पाएंगे, कहीं ना कहीं आप उन लोगों को भूल पाएंगे. And moving forward, you will be able to accept a Knight of Cups coming into your life, and that will be your justice. Your justice will come once you remove this illusion and you just use the wisdom of the Hierophant to move on from this Five of Cups grieving sad energy and accept an incoming energy that's coming into your life very soon, and that is going to be your justice. और ये आप realize करेंगे कि आपके लिए justice actually ये death था. दिस पर्सन दैट यू आर ग्रीविंग अबाउट एंड एवरीथिंग, ये इंसान का जाना ही आपके लिए ऑलरेडी जस्टिस हो चुका था. लेकिन क्योंकि आप एक 5 ऑफ कप्स की एनर्जी में सैड, किसी की तरफ नहीं देख रहे हैं, एक शैडो लाइक एनर्जी में चले आए हैं कि आपको खुद ही नहीं समझ में आ रहा कि क्या करना है. देखो, पजल्ड हो आप, 100% पजल्ड हो. मैं उसकी कोई आपसे नहीं बोल रही कि आप मत सोचो कि आप पजल्ड नहीं हो. आप बिल्कुल पजल्ड हो. यू आर डन विथ योर लाइफ राइट नाउ. यू आर टायर्ड, यू आर एग्जॉस्टेड, एंड more than exhausted, you don't even think that you have the energy to pick yourself up, and that's the worst situation to be in. And these people, the fallen cups that you see, these situations have actually led you to this state. तो आप सोचे, what is justice for you? To constantly wait for a person who will never come back, or to move on with the wisdom for somebody who's coming into your life? I know you would be like, Ishani, I don't trust you. I don't trust you saying this, that somebody will come with an offer. But I have to say this because पीछे 2 कप्स हैं. अभी भी पूरे तरीके से एग्जॉस्ट नहीं हुए हो. मेंटली डन हो गया है, लेकिन स्पिरिचुअली देयर इज समबडी कमिंग इनटू योर लाइफ, एंड दैट विल बी द जस्टिस. तो ये जो इल्यूजन है ना कि ये इंसान आ सकता है, इसको ख़त्म कर दो आप. क्योंकि इस इल्यूजन को जैसे जाने दोगे, किसी भी तरीके की होप मत रखो. अभी आप जितना भी कहीं से भी आपको अगर कोई भी कांटेक्ट मिले इस इंसान से रिलेटेड ना, आप इमीडिएटली रिएक्ट करने लग जाते हो, ये सोच के कि शायद यही इंसान वापस आ रहा है. लेकिन ये शुरुआत ही डेथ से हुआ है, ख़त्म हो चुका है ये किस्सा. इट्स नॉट गोइंग टू कम बैक. It is not going to come back, and I leave you with that. Justice is there. ऐसा नहीं है कि आप हमेशा इस सिचुएशन में रहने वाले हैं. नहीं तो आपको कोई विजडम नहीं देता, आपको कोई हायरोफांट की एनर्जी में नहीं लाता. आपको सिर्फ अपने इसको बिलीव करना है ताकि इल्यूजन ना हो, ताकि मून स्टेट में ना रहे, ताकि कोई भी छोटी सी भी इन्फॉर्मेशन पे आप रिएक्ट ना कर बैठे. ये इंसान का वक्त आपकी ज़िंदगी में ख़त्म हो चुका है. तो जो सारे कप्स आपके सामने अब गिर पड़ चुके हैं और आपको नहीं दिख रहा, आप ये शायद नहीं देख पा रहे हैं कि एक फ़्लो ऑलरेडी है. बस आपको सिर उठा के देखने की ज़रूरत है और शायद आगे बढ़ने की ज़रूरत है, और ये देखने की ज़रूरत है कि अभी भी आपके पास चांसेस हैं. और अगर आपको ये लग रहा है कि आपके पास ऑप्शंस नहीं हैं, आप गलत हैं. आपके पास अभी भी ऑप्शंस हैं, अभी भी ऑप्शंस हैं.